Hello viewers, I am Deepthi. Today I am going to share a video for ICSE Class 10 English Literature in my series of 50 plus MCQ from the chapter The Last Lesson. But first of all, I want to share with you that now to watch my full videos, you have to become a member of my channel by paying a small amount of ₹59 to YouTube. And if you want to get the PDF of these MCQs, then you have to become a Master Achiever by paying a amount of ₹89 to YouTube. फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू फ्रॉम द लास्ट लेसन हमारे चैप्टर का भी है, प्रॉस बुक का भी है और इस वीडियो सीरीज का भी पोइट्री को छोड़ के प्रॉस का लास्ट चैप्टर है ये. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Select the option that shows correct relationship between statement 1 and 2. Statement 1 is Franz thought of running away and spending the day out of doors. Statement 2, Franz started for school very late and was in great dread of a scolding. So 1 and 2 are independent of each other. 1 and 2 are both false. 2 is the reason of statement 1 and 1 is false and 2 is true. And option number C is correct. Statement 2 is the reason of statement 1. क्योंकि वो लेट हो गया था, उसको डर लग रहा था कि मुझे डांट पड़ेगी, इसलिए वो सोचता है कि जाता ही नहीं हूं, बाहर भाग जाता हूं. What did Franz see when he passed the town hall? A crowd in front of the bulletin board. Magic show round the corner. Military parade at the town hall. Crowd gathered to see shooting of a movie. And option number A is correct. A crowd in front of the bulletin board. Which of the options contains the same literary device that appears in the following line? Besides, the whole school seemed so strange and solemn. यानी कि S आपका कितनी बार रिपीट हुआ है? तो option number A is the boom of the fireworks scared the boy. The daffodils were tossing their heads in a dance while I nodded, nearly napping. Her smile is a ray of sunshine. So you can क्लियरली सी की सी ऑप्शन में while I nodded and napping मतलब n आपका बार बार रिपीट हो रहा है, तो दिस लिटरेरी डिवाइस इज एलिट्रेशन. यहाँ पर n रिपीट हो रहा है और हमारे पूछे गए क्वेश्चन में s रिपीट हो रहा है, तो हर वर्ड के बिगिनिंग में आपको s दिखाई दे रहा है, तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट. Why was Franz in great dread of scolding? Mr. Hemmel did not like him. Mr. Hemmel would question students on participle and he did not know any of them. Mr. Hemmel would not allow him inside for coming late. He had made mischief in the class. And option number B is correct. Mr. Hemmel would ask student on participle पे question पूछने थे and he did not know any of them. तो उसको लग रहा था कि मुझे तो कोई आंसर आने वाला नहीं है. Option number B is correct. Which of these words are not used to describe the day when Franz was going to school in a hurry? It was so warm, so bright. The birds were chirping. The ladies were going to fetch water from the well. Prussian soldiers were drilling. बाकी सब कहाँ है? A है, B है, D है, C नहीं है, तो C is correct here. Ladies were going to fetch water from the well, ये कहा ही नहीं है हमें. Select the option that shows correct relationship between statement 1 and 2. 1 is when Franz passed the town hall, there was a crowd in the front of bulletin board. 2 is for the last 2 years, all the good news came from the bulletin board. Option number A is statement 1 and 2 are both true. B is 1 and 2 are both false. C is statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. And 1 is false and 2 is true. So clearly you can see C option is correct. 1 is true and 2 is false क्योंकि क्या कहा गया? Good news. तो good news कहाँ ही मिल रही थी उन दिनों में? I thought he made fun of me. Who is he in this sentence? Old Hauser, the blacksmith watcher, the former mayor, the teacher Mr. Hemmel. तो कौन है यहाँ पर he किसके लिए आया है? The blacksmith watcher. Option number B is correct. What news had not come up on the bulletin board at the town hall? The death of president, the lost battles, the draft, the orders of the commanding officer. बाकी सब मिली हैं, कौन सी नहीं मिली है? The death of president. Option number A is correct because it is not correct. What was Watcher, the blacksmith, doing when Franz saw him on the way to his school? Putting coal in his furnace, reading the bulletin, selling an axe to a customer, beating a red hot iron to make a saw. तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट, रीडिंग द बुलेटिन. तभी वो उसको कहता है कि कोई जल्दी नहीं है. चूज द ऑप्शन दैट लिस्ट द सीक्वेंस इन द करेक्ट ऑर्डर. आई सॉ माय क्लासमेट्स ऑलरेडी इन देयर प्लेसेस. व्हेन आई पास द टाउन हॉल देयर वाज अ क्राउड इन फ्रंट ऑफ द बुलेटिन बोर्ड. फॉर अ मोमेंट आई थॉट ऑफ रनिंग अवे एंड स्पेंडिंग द डे आउट ऑफ डोर्स. आई रीच्ड मिस्टर हैमल्स लिटिल गार्डन ऑल आउट ऑफ ब्रेथ. एंड करेक्ट सीक्वेंस में जो है वो है आपका ऑप्शन नंबर ए. सबसे पहले है थर्ड. For a moment I thought of running away and spending the day out of door. Then when I passed the town hall, there was a crowd in front of bulletin board. Then I reached Mr. Hammel's little garden all out of breath. भाग के वहां पहुंच गया. Then I saw all my classmates already in their places. मैं देख रहा हूँ कि बाकी सब तो अपनी सीट पे आराम से बैठे हैं, तो ऑप्शन नंबर ए करेक्ट सीक्वेंस दिखा रहा है. Which of these have not been used to describe the dress that Mr. Hamill was wearing on the day when he was delivering the last lesson? A. Polished suede shoes, frilled shirt, little black silk cap, beautiful green coat. सब चीजें दिखाई हैं, क्या नहीं दिखाया? ऑप्शन नंबर ए polished suede shoes नहीं दिखाया. What surprised Franz the most upon sitting on his desk after reaching the school? The school was very quiet. The teacher was wearing his party dress. The village people were sitting in the back benches. The students were standing quietly in the queue. Option number C is correct. Village people were sitting in the back benches. Which of these village people was not present in the class sitting in the back benches? Blacksmith watcher, Althauser, the former mayor, the former postmaster. बाकी तीनों बैठे हैं, कौन नहीं बैठा? ऑप्शन नंबर ए ब्लैकस्मिथ वॉचर, वो तो बाहर मिला था ना, इसलिए. टू विच कंट्री डज द ऑथर ऑफ द लास्ट लेसन बिलोंग? England, America, Germany, France, and option number D is correct, France. What did Mr. Hamill not say while addressing the students on the day of his last lesson? This is the last lesson I shall give you. The new master comes tomorrow. You will have to learn English from tomorrow. I want you to be very attentive. तो क्या बोला गया? What did Mr. Hamill not say? क्या नहीं कहा? बाकी सब कहा है, लेकिन क्या नहीं कहा? You will have to learn English from tomorrow. English नहीं है. What does the last lesson in the story symbolize? Loss of freedom and language, loss of education, loss of war and struggle of people, loss of teacher. क्या symbolize कर रहा है इस चैप्टर में लास्ट लेसन? लॉस ऑफ फ्रीडम एंड लैंग्वेज. मतलब अगर आपको अपनी लैंग्वेज की ही नॉलेज नहीं है तो आप अपनी फ्रीडम को कैसे सिग्निफाई कर पाओगे? Choose the options that list the sequence in the correct order. I won't scold you, little friends. You must feel bad enough. My children, this is the last lesson I shall give you. The order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools. I jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. And किस सीक्वेंस में करेक्टली लगे हैं? ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट हियर. सबसे पहले फोर्थ आएगा, I jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. My children, this is the last lesson I shall give you. The order has come from the Berlin to teach only German in the schools. And I won't scold you, little friends. You must feel bad enough. तुम्हें खुद बुरा लगेगा कि तुम्हें अभी तक अपनी लैंग्वेज आती ही नहीं है और अब तुम्हारे से जबरदस्ती तुम्हारी लैंग्वेज छुड़वा के फॉरेन लैंग्वेज यानी जर्मन लगा दी जाएगी. Who is the author of the story The Last Lesson? William Blake, Robert Frost, William Shakespeare, Alphonse Daudet, and correct option is option number D, Alphonse Daudet. Franz was quite dashed to his learning French language. Serious, attentive, indifferent, focused. क्या था पहले अपनी लैंग्वेज को सीखने के लिए? सी इनडिफरेंट, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता था कि कल कर लेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. What order had come from Berlin that Mr. Hamill told the children in his grave and gentle tone? To teach only German in England and Italy, to teach only German in Alsace and Lorraine, to teach only French in Germany and England, none of the above, and the correct option is B, to teach only German in Alsace and Lorraine. What was Franz feeling sorry for on the day of the last lesson from Mr. Hamill? ये sorry उसको पहले फील नहीं हुआ, लास्ट दिन क्या फील हुआ? Not learning his lessons, for seeing birds' eggs, going sliding on the sand, all of the above. तो अब उसको इन सब चीजों के लिए सॉरी फील हो रहा है. ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट, all of the above, because Franz was doing all these to avoid learning French. ये सब कुछ वो क्यों कर रहा था? क्योंकि उसको फ्रेंच से अवॉइड करना था, सीखनी ही नहीं थी. बट नाउ व्हेन ही केम टू नो दैट टुडे वाज हिज लास्ट फ्रेंच लेसन, he was feeling sorry for not taking his native language seriously, कि मैंने क्यों अपनी नेटिव लैंग्वेज को इतना सीरियसली नहीं लिया, मैं क्यों आराम से बैठा रहा. What made Franz forget Mr. Hamill's ruler and how cranky he was? The realization that Mr. Hamill was leaving them, the silence in the class, the march of the Prussian soldiers, the beetles that were flying in the class. So correct option is A, the realization that Mr. Hamill was leaving them. इस वजह से उसको Mr. Hamill की डांट और सब चीजों का बुरा लगना बंद हो गया था. The villagers had come to meet Mr. Hamill in order to see him off, show gratitude, learn French, to see how he was teaching the children. Option number B is correct, to show gratitude for him. उन्होंने इतने साल उनको फ्रेंच सिखाई इसलिए. Next question. Oh, the wretches. That was what they had put up at the town hall. What does that mean? The order from Berlin to teach only German in Alsace and Lorraine. The order that England had lost the battle. The order for school to be closed, the order for all men to join the army. And correct option is A, the order from Berlin to teach only German in Alsace and Lorraine. Mr. Hamel had worked in the school for dash years, 25, 30, 35, 40, and the correct option is D, 40 years. Dash for old friends that I couldn't give up. What were the old friends that Franz is talking about? The books, the grammar, the history of the sense, all of the above. And correct option is D, all of the above. All these that seemed nuisance to Franz a while ago, थोड़ी देर पहले ये चीजें उसके लिए कोई मायने नहीं रखती थी, were like old friends that he was not ready to give up after Mr. Hamel announced that they will have to learn German from tomorrow. तो उसको एकदम से धक्का लगता है कि ओ कैसे, तो इसीलिए all of the above option is correct in this case. Choose the options that list the sequence in the correct order. Every time the young boy looked up from writing during the last lesson, he found Mr. Hamel sitting motionless in his chair. He had put on his fine Sunday clothes as he was delivering his last lesson. Mr. Hamel had also bought new copies written in a beautiful round hand to the class that day. The boy noticed that Mr. Hamel, their teacher, was wearing his beautiful green coat, frilled shirt, and a little black silk cap. And the correct sequence is option number D. क्योंकि D में सबसे पहले हमारी last आएगा. The boy noticed that Mr. Hamel, their teacher, was wearing his beautiful green coat, frilled shirt, and the little black silk cap, जो normally वो नहीं पहनते थे या सिर्फ किसी occasionally पहनते थे. He had put on his fine Sunday clothes as he was delivering his last lesson. Mr. Hamel had also bought new copies written in a beautiful round hand to the class that day. ये third statement होगी. Then last में हमारा first आएगा. Every time the young boy looked up from writing during the last lesson, he found Mr. Hamel sitting motionless in his chair. तो वो देखता है कि वो बिल्कुल चुपचाप बिना हिले बैठे हुए हैं क्योंकि उनको पता ही है कि कैसा मूड है क्लास का. According to Mr. Hamel, what was the great trouble with Elsa? She is not interested to go to school. She puts off learning till tomorrow. She has lost the battle. She has population of villagers who do not care to read and write. And correct option is B. She puts off learning till tomorrow. Instead of sending their children to school, the parents sent them to playing the grounds, holy places to worship, neighbors and relatives' houses, farms and mills to have a little more money. तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट क्योंकि ये ज्यादा वेल टू डू फैमिलीज नहीं है, इनकी मियाद इनकम है, इसीलिए फार्म्स और मिल्स में भेज देते थे कि थोड़े पैसे ले आएंगे तो कई बार स्कूल लेंगे तो कोई बात नहीं, इट इज ओके विद देम. What words did Mr. Hamel use to blame himself for not seriously teaching the students French? He sent students to water his flower. He gave holidays to children when he wanted to go fishing. Both A and B, no, none of the above. तो ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट, बोथ ए एंड बी, क्योंकि वो अपने ऊपर ब्लेम ले लेते हैं कि शायद तुम इसलिए नहीं पढ़ पाए क्योंकि मैं तुम्हें फ्लावर्स को पानी देने के लिए भेज देता था या हॉलीडे दे देता था जब मुझे फिशिंग के लिए जाना होता था, तो इसलिए उनको अपने ऊपर ब्लेम लेते हैं. According to Mr. Hamel, French language was the clearest, the most logical language, the most polite and pious, beautiful and correct, oldest and mesmerizing. And the correct option is, according to Mr. Hamel, A option is correct, the clearest and the most logical language. Holding fast to one's language when one is enslaved can be compared to holding on to true pleasure of life, finding strength in fear, finding a way to defeat your enemy, holding the key to prison. और इस चैप्टर के हिसाब से बहुत क्लियरली समझाया गया, ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट, होल्डिंग द की टू द प्रिजन. द बैकड्रॉप ऑफ दिस स्टोरी, द लास्ट लेसन इज द फ्रैंको अमेरिकन वॉर, फ्रैंको जर्मन वॉर, फ्रैंको प्रूशियन वॉर, जर्मन प्रूशियन वॉर, एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सी, फ्रैंको प्रूशियन वॉर. आपने हिस्ट्री में भी पढ़ा है. After the lesson in grammar, Mr. Hamel took up a lesson in participles, writing, recitation, history of sense. तो participles का हो गया. उसके बाद ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट, writing. When the students were writing, the dash flew in. Flies, pigeons, beetles, butterflies. तो कौन आ गया? Beetles. लेकिन किसी का ध्यान नहीं गया, जिसको पहले देखते ही रहते थे, पढ़ते नहीं थे, आज सब अपना काम कर रहे हैं, किसी का ध्यान नहीं गया. ऑप्शन नंबर सी इज करेक्ट, beetles. To give the students a lesson in writing, Mr. Hamel brought new copies, new pencils, new blackboard, new books. क्या लेकर आए? New copies. Option number A is correct. Whenever Franz looked up from his writing, what did he see Mr. Hamel doing? Sitting motionless in his chair, gazing first at one thing and then at another. Both A and B, none of the above. And C option is correct, both A and B, because Mr. Hamel was sitting motionless, gazing first at one thing then at another, as if he wanted to fix them in his mind. कि देख लूं मैं इन सब चीजों को लास्ट बार। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विल दे मेक देम सिंग इन जर्मन इवन द डैश फिल इन द ब्लैंक, द ओल्ड विलेजर्स, द फार्मर्स, द ब्लैकस्मिथ, द पिजन्स। तो वो कहता है कि क्या वो पिजन्स को भी जर्मन लैंग्वेज में फोर्स करेंगे कि वो भी उसी में सिंग करें? तो ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज करेक्ट। What changes have taken place in 40 years that Mr. Hamill has taught in the school at Elsik? The desks and the benches have been worn smooth. The walnut trees in the garden were taller. The hofvine Mr. Hamill planted twined about the windows to the roof. All of the above. And correct option is D, all of the above. What was Mr. Hamill's sister doing in the room above? Packing their trunks, cooking food for the students, playing on a piano, listening to the radio, and correct option is A, packing their trunks. When was Mr. Hamill supposed to leave the country? In 2 days, in the next day, in a week, after a month, and correct option is B, the next day only. You could see that he too was crying. His voice trembled with emotion. Who is he in these words? The mayor, the postmaster, Oldhauser, watcher, the blacksmith, and correct option is C, Oldhauser. What came as a thunderclap to the France, scolding by his teacher, Berlin order against teaching French, France failure to learn participles, defeat of the French armies, and correct option is B, Berlin order against teaching French. This comes as a thunderclap to the France कि वो कभी सोच नहीं सकता था कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है। Choose the options that list the sequence in the correct order. Mr. Hamill stood up very pale in his chair after the writing. We had a lesson in history. All at once the church clock struck 12. The babies chanted their ba, bi, bi, bo, ba, boo. So कौन सा हमारा करेक्ट ऑप्शन आएगा इसमें? सी, जिसमें करेक्ट सीक्वेंस में लगाए हैं, तो हमारा सबसे पहले आएगा इसमें सेकंड. Second means after the writing he had a lesson in history. Then fourth, the babies chanted their ba, bi, bi, bo, boo. Then third, all at once the church clock struck 12. And last time Mr. Hamill stood up very pale in his chair कि time over हो गया. What did Mr. Hamill not teach the students on his last day at school? Grammar, writing, history, poems. Option number D, poems is correct. जो उन्होंने last दिन नहीं पढ़ाया. Ba, I have plenty of time. I will learn it tomorrow. What quality does this sentence reveal about France and many others of the town of Elsik? Male chauvinism, procrastination, laziness, interest in learning. And correct option is B, procrastination, कि आज नहीं, कल कर लेंगे, कल नहीं, अगले दिन कर लेंगे, करते 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 साल बीत जाता है, हमें पता नहीं चलता, एग्जाम्स आ जाते हैं, जैसा हम में से भी बहुत सबके साथ होता ही है, हर साल होता है. When Franz entered the class, he did not find his classmates at their tables. Mr. Hamill walking up and down. Mr. Hamill carrying his terrible iron ruler under his arm. His friend reciting the lesson. And he did not find. क्या नहीं देखा? Option number D is friend reciting the lesson. ये नहीं देखा. What did Oldhauser carry to school? Old primer, French books, old newspapers, chocolates for children. Correct option is A, old primer. Carry कर रहे थे, उस दिन स्कूल लेकर आए थे. What happened when the church clock struck 12? The Angelus, trumpets of Prussians returning from the drill. Both A and B. None of these. And correct option is both A and B. The Angelus मतलब prayer offered by the Catholic, यानी Christians की जो prayer है वो start हो जाती है. तो option number C is correct. What according to Franz did he find grammar lesson so easy to understand on the last day? He had never listened to Mr. Hamill so carefully. Mr. Hamill had never explained everything with so much patience. Both A and B, none of these. And correct option is C, क्योंकि उसको लगता है कि मैंने आप बहुत ध्यान से सुनो और मिस्टर हेमल ने इतना पेशेंटली कभी पहले नहीं पढ़ाया क्योंकि आज मुझे सब कुछ आराम से समझ में आया. What were the last thoughts that Mr. Hamill wrote on the blackboard? Last words कौन से लिखे गए थे? अलविदा फ्रांस, विवे ला फ्रांस, फ्रांस डी वर्वे एंड एल्सेक फ्रांस. तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट. विवे ला फ्रांस मीन्स लॉन्ग लिव फ्रांस. तो ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट here. And last question is, what gesture did Mr. Hamill make with his hands at the end of the class? School is dismissed. You may go. School is over. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you for learning with me. I will miss you. You may go. And correct option is A. School is dismissed. You may go. क्योंकि वो बोल नहीं पाए तो उन्होंने एक्शन से ही बोला कि school is dismissed. You may go. क्योंकि उनसे बोला ही नहीं गया. With this, I conclude my today's video. Thank you for becoming a member of my channel and please share with others so that they might know about my channel and my videos and PDFs also. Thank you for watching till the end. Keep watching, sharing and subscribe to my channel.